Hazrat Imam Hassan Basri and Imam Ibn Sirin say, whosoever fights a jihad on wages, a laborer, will get a share out of the booty. And Atiyah bin Qais hired a horse on the condition of getting half of the profit, the booty. Later, the share of the horse amounted to 400 dinars, so he kept 200 dinar for himself and disbursed 200 dinars to the owner of the horse. Hazrat Yala bin Umayyah reports from his father, I was along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Tabuk expedition. I lent a man a young camel to ride, and I considered this act the most reliable out of my deeds. Then I employed a laborer to participate in the war who quarreled with another person. One of them bit the hand of the other. The latter drew his hand from his mouth, dislodging the former front teeth. The former went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and demanded for retaliation. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, should he have left his hand in your mouth so that you might chew it as a bull chews grass? Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2973.